How to download and install TextNow app. First of all, open the Play Store app on your device. Next, tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type TextNow. You will see the app listed with its official logo and developer name, TextNow, so make sure to select the correct one. Tap on the app, then click the install button. The download will start automatically and usually takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, open the app by tapping its icon. You will be greeted with a welcome screen, giving you the option to sign up or log in. If you are a new user, select sign up and follow the simple steps to create your account. Now you know how to download and install the TextNow app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.